This is a 1910 era Toledo Metal Furniture Company typewriter cabinet, and it is a portable typewriter cabinet that will actually lock and close. It is in the arts and crafts movement with the decoration of the copper paint along with the dark paint, oak sides. It opens up just like a roll-top desk to reveal areas for files and of course the typewriter. Both sides can be detached and fold down. You have your portable typewriter cabinet. This is one item that we have here in our store at West Mercantile, Macon, Missouri for sale.